Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie, and today we're gonna be doing my first ever vlog. Yeah, I've wanted to do this vlog for like a really long time, but like I haven't had the time and I wasn't in the city that I'm currently in to like do it, but I'm back. So this video is basically going to be me taking you guys along with me to buy things for my new apartment, how I set it up, and the finished look. So I'm going to be going to several different stores. I'm going to take y'all along with me to every single one. Hopefully my camera battery doesn't die. But basically, yeah, I'm just going to take y'all along with me, show you what I get, and I'll show you like when I'm putting it together, and we'll see if this comes out right, because honestly I don't know what I want to buy. I don't have a list or anything. I'm going in there just like freestyling everything, so hopefully this turns out good. But yeah, let's go to the first place. I think I want to go to IKEA first. Maybe. Okay, so we're at our first stop and we came to IKEA. They say hi. So we came to IKEA and we're gonna get like stuff. I don't know what exactly, but we're gonna get stuff. Can y'all hear me? Cause I feel like
cause
the mask, yeah. I need to get like a lot of stuff, cause I'm literally like redoing everything. So I have to like, those drawers I got to, they gotta go. It gots to go. I don't know if they're gonna let me film inside. If not, I'll just put the camera away for now. Let's see. Trying to get some pillows and like different stuff. Okay. So we got like a lot of pillows and like stuff for our living room mainly. But yeah, we're still looking around for stuff. But yeah, filming is way more difficult than I thought. So I'm gonna just catch y'all when I start putting everything together. Okay guys, I've been meaning to film for a while, but like I just got my new apartment keys and now I can finally like start moving my stuff in. So I'm about to go get a few more things for my room, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all like when I'm putting everything together, because taking the camera to the store is not it. It's really difficult, but you know what? We're gonna get this vlog done either way, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my apartment room. Okay guys, so I just showed you my living room and my bedroom. So now I'm just gonna like go through and like show you guys like some of the neat things that I got that like can really spice up your room if you're looking to like make it a bit more lively. Okay, one thing that I did buy that I knew I wanted for sure was this plant from IKEA, and I just wanted it on top of my fridge because I don't know, it just gives me like a more like homey vibe. And I also did get a few pictures with like some Bible verses just so I can wake up and like already have the Word of God in my room. And I got a lot of greenery and flowers. And I also made sure to get this really big mirror. I wanted a really big mirror to like take all types of selfies in. And my bed is mainly just white and pink. I didn't want any like extravagant colors, and I have like touches of gold every here and there. So I have like gold on my pictures on top of my bed, and I have like gold accessories on my shelves. So for my vanity, I am going to switch this up a bit later, but what I have for now is just this mirror from, I think I got this from Home Goods, and I just bought some lights on Amazon and I just literally put it on top of it, and that's my vanity. It looks a bit off right now, but trust me, it's going to look better later. Then I have my ring light and I have my TV. So for my closet, I did pick out this room specifically because of the closet, because it has more like walk-in space, but I also wanted to be able to arrange like my bags and like some of my shopping bags in my closet to where like you walk in and you can visibly see it like immediately you walk in. So for my closet, I just put all my clothes on one side. I didn't want like my clothes like all over my closet, so I just put my clothes on one side. I put my shoes right under it because I don't like shoes like scattered everywhere. So I got a shoe rack just to put my shoes on it, and I have some shoes on the side because your girl got shoes. But my favorite part of my closet, I don't know if other people do this, but I love collecting designer like shopping bags to like just like arrange up there. And I just put some of my bags up here just for me, like as a person, like if I don't see my bags, I'll forget that I have them and I won't wear them, so I have to make sure to like make them visible. So for my bathroom, I didn't want anything too extravagant because I wanted to maintain the space that's in there and be able to do my hair and makeup in there. So yeah, I really just have like a few floor mats and like a bin for my clothes. Okay, so for my bathroom, I didn't want to do anything too extravagant. I just bought like some floor mats, like all different shades of purple. I got a white shower curtain, and yeah, I haven't decided if I want to put LED lights around like my mirror yet. If I decide to be extra, I'm gonna do it. But for now, I think I'm just gonna leave it this way. And I just got a few like pictures just to like put it right beside me so like my bathroom doesn't feel as empty. But apart from that, that is all for my room tour. Hey guys, so this is the end of my very first vlog, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what's your favorite part of seeing my apartment, and make sure you subscribe because we're on the road to 1K subscribers. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.